Well, welcome to To Whitetails. Drew Ramage here. It's a week before the youth season here in Kentucky, and I'm out here listening this morning. Hearing several birds, but nothing real close. But this week on To Whitetails, we're going to take you back to last week. If you saw the previous video we just uploaded, Lane was able to harvest a gobbler on the opening morning of the Tennessee youth season 2018. And the next day, they decided to go back into that spot, and I was able to go along and film them. So it's going to be Dale Wilson, which is Lane's granddad, Lane, and myself on this ridge top in Tennessee. The morning was very cold and very quiet. We didn't hear a bird gobble or a turkey sound to be accurate, but we're settled in the blind. We're just going to sit back and see what happens.
Drawn to Whitetails would like to thank these fine sponsors: Patriot Buildings, Roughton Plumbing, Chase Motorsports, Signet Federal Credit Union, Covert Scouting Cameras, Hoyt Archery, Indian Creek Choke Tubes, Black Gold Premium Bow Sights, Wilson Archery, Big Time, and River Valley Ag Credit.
Looks like it. Okay.
There you go, baby. Turkey killer.
He didn't even flop, man.
Turkey killer, Shane Pop.
He said he just saw one fly down, and he wasn't like, we're sitting up a little higher. That's awesome.
That's a Jake, but that'll work.
He'll eat just the same.
He's twitching.
Yeah. There's another one just easing off right over there.
He's just like, what the heck is that? That other one?
He's coming right here. Look at
That other one.
Let me see if he comes back. Let me see if he comes back.
Yeah, he's right here. He's coming up. He's off.
Is he leaving?
He's just standing there.
We can't hear him. We can't hear him.
Where's he at?
He's right behind this tree. He's like 10 yards.
He's coming back.
Oh, yeah. He's right in front of
Be still. You videoing?
Yeah.
Be still.
Man, 2 for 2. It was a little quieter morning this morning, though, wasn't it?
I bet tomorrow it's going to be even more quiet.
Yeah.
How did I get 3 in a row?
Good luck. What are you doing? What are you doing in a couple weeks? I may need you to go with me.
Oh yeah. Oh.
These tails, these feathers are longer in the middle than they are on the side.
Look at the head. I want to see if I hear the head.
I'm sure you did.
Ooh. Look at that.
Yep.
Yeah, I hit him in the head.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Right in that side of the head. Good job, decoys.
Here, boy, here's your pet.
Another one though.
Well, if you're gonna come out here, you might as well get one.
What's the difference between a Jake and a normal one?
Jake is younger.
Oh,
Tail feathers aren't as big, the beard isn't big, spurs aren't as big, he's just young.
Walk up through there.
okay.
Take him to the blind.
They can do blind. Why is his head so big?
Another feather for that hat. That's awesome.